Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin SV in just a few simple steps using our platform. So, let's roll. First of all, let's take a closer look at Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV was created to restore the original Satoshi protocol, keep it stable, and enable it to massively scale. Unlike other Bitcoin projects, only Bitcoin SV has the plan for a stable protocol and plan for massive on-chain scaling to become the world's new money and a global public blockchain for enterprise. This is critical to ignite the future of e-commerce and create a profitable ecosystem for all Bitcoin industry participants. The Bitcoin Association supports Bitcoin SV as the original Bitcoin. Ready to get some BSV coins? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the You Send section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select Bitcoin SV in the You Get section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of BSV you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. Then you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin SV address. Be extremely careful and double-check your Bitcoin SV address. Your Bitcoin SV coins will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Bitcoin to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After we have received the deposit to our address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you Bitcoin SV, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it. Your exchange is completed and you can see the indicated status as finished. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is? In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.